For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to PowerPoint tutorials. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove image background to make your PowerPoint presentation stand out. So let's begin. Select the image. You select the image that you want to remove the background from. So in this image, as you can see, there is a white background around it. So to remove this, just click on the image, then click on Format. As you can see, there are many options like remove background, corrections, color, artistic effects, so on. So to remove this background, click on remove background. It automatically selects what areas to keep and what to remove. So click on the handle, hold shift key and drag it to the corners. Now click outside this image. As you can see, the background is removed. You can minimize, maximize the image size as you want and use it anywhere in the presentation. So thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe